The city grouse Dendragapus fuliginosus is a species of forest-dwelling grouse native to North America's Pacific Coast ranges. It is closely related to the dusky grouse Dendragapus obscurus, and the two were previously considered a single species. The blue grouse adults have a long square tail, light gray at the end. Adult males are mainly dark, with a yellow throat air sac surrounded by white and a yellow wattle over the eye during display. Adult females are mottled brown with dark brown and white marks on the underparts. Females have longer, skinnier necks than males. The males have stouter bodies than the females. Their breeding habitat is the edges of conifer in mixed forests in mountainous regions of western North America. From southeastern Alaska and Yukon
Their
south
range
to
is
California,
closely
associated with that of various conifers. They thrive in old forests because they need diverse plants and trees. Regenerated, logged, or burned areas also attract the city grouse, as long as there are plenty of bushes shrubs to nest in. The nest is a scrape on the ground, concealed under a shrub or log. Grouse Mountain, a mountain that acts as the peak of Vancouver, Canada, gets its name from the infamous blue grouse that lives on the mountain. The first hikers that reached the top of the mountain hunted the birds, so they honored them by naming the mountain after them. This name is also attributed to the large population of the city grouse found on the mountain. These birds forage on the ground or in trees in winter. In winter, they mainly eat fir and Douglas fir needles. Occasionally, also hemlock and pine needles. In summer, other green plants, Pteridium salix berries, Gaultheria mahonia, Rubus vaccinium, and insects, particularly ants, beetles. Grasshoppers are more important. In winter, they are capable of surviving on fir needles alone. In spring, they enjoy a diet that consists more of berries, leaves, and flowers. Chicks are almost entirely dependent on insect food for their first 10 days, like many birds. The city grouse eat grit and tiny stones. This helps them grind up food in the gizzard. Males sing with deep hoots on their territory and make short flapping flights to attract females. The sound sounds like someone is hitting a deep but quiet drum. The males typically make these calls from high in the trees. Females leave the male's territory after mating. A female will then build her nest on the ground in a shallow hole protected by the covering of bushes or logs. She will then lay around 5 to 10 eggs. These eggs are well camouflaged due to their creamy base color with speckled brown spots.